going to make quick recipe. For that we are going to require 1 cup cold water or plain tap water, or you can use soda too instead of water. And we are going to require 1 lemons, 1 piece, that is chop it in 4 pieces and take 1 piece of it, and a pinch of salt and pinch of sugar and a glass. Let's add water in glass. Add juice of lemon in it, squeeze it. Add 1/4 tablespoon of sugar in it. Add pinch of salt in it, and let's stir it till the sugar melts for 1 minute. And our lemon juice is ready to drink. Let's serve it. Summer is coming and it's refreshing drink, so please try it. You can add soda in it instead of water. Add some ice cubes to make it better. Please try it.